Let's take a look at the new drum magazine for the Ruger 10-22 takedown. Stupid deagle always in the way. So this is the new drum magazine. Let's compare them to these Ruger BX-25s. So it's made by ProMag in the USA, and it holds 50 rounds. So it's got the same neck that you'd use on the standard BX-25s, but I can tell right away there's going to be a problem. It looks like it won't work with the folding stock when it's folded. So we'll have to open up the stock to shoot it, unless we can modify that somehow. Until then, we now have the 50 round option. Pretty easy to still get to the release down there. Seems pretty solid. I've had good and bad experience with ProMag over the years, so let's check out how these work. They seem like they have steel feed lips, which is usually a good sign. Figure we can also use that with another firearm that uses the Ruger 10-22 magazines. Looks like it might not fit all the way. That's a bummer. However, this is not enough of a historic item or a collector's item that it's worth going in and just shaving the sides of the magazine well, because I think that would be a pretty fun little package. 50 round 22, and of course could easily put the suppressor on there. So it's 50 rounds, same capacity as two of the BX-25s. BX-25s have proven themselves to be very reliable, and honestly, two magazines there, and just about every way you look at it, is more compact than the 50 round drum. And these have a pretty decent reputation so far for reliability. Another nice thing about having two magazines is I could have one type of ammo here, another type of ammunition here, and if one of them goes down, you've got a backup. All your eggs are in one basket here. But for the range and just having fun with it, if you've got a one of the full auto 10-22 conversions, or something else, another platform that uses the 10-22 magazines, then these are probably a lot of fun. So we'll keep checking it out and stay tuned for further reviews.